Basecamp Enterprise Sales and Marketing App. The pros, the cons. Basecamp Enterprise Sales and Marketing App is built to streamline sales pipelines and marketing campaigns, but is it right for large enterprises? On the positive side, Basecamp offers sales automation, pipeline management, reporting dashboards and marketing integrations all in one platform. The surprising truth is that enterprises can gain complete visibility into their sales processes, track CTIs in real time, and automate repetitive tasks like follow-ups and lead scoring. Integration with email, marketing automation, and analytics tools ensures teams have a unified view of customer interactions. Many organizations see improved sales productivity, higher forecast accuracy, and better alignment between marketing and sales teams. However, there are drawbacks. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's entirely plug and play. Implementing Basecamp at scale requires careful setup, data migration, and training. Some features, like advanced reporting and automation workflows, may have a learning curve. Pricing for enterprise plans can also be substantial, depending on the number of users and add-on features. In conclusion, Basecamp Enterprise Sales and Marketing App is ideal for enterprises looking to centralize sales and marketing operations. Its strengths include pipeline management, automation, and integrated analytics. While setup and training require investment, Basecamp empowers teams to boost efficiency, improve forecasting, and drive better business outcomes through streamlined sales and marketing collaboration.